From ancient age, Bengal has been renowned in crafting fine fabrics which became a part of our culture. This symbol of weaving fabrics took over as an inspiration for the local garments industry, where it is standing today globally. With the inspiration of our tradition of weaving fabrics, Textown Limited commenced its business in the fashion world in 1991. Over the years, with quality in manufacturing and customer satisfaction, it has grown vertically. Today, Textown is one of the prominent activewear manufacturers globally. An organization which started with 100 dynamic workforce and 35 machines today has become an industry of 4,000 committed professionals working relentlessly to produce 1.5 million pieces per month. Today, Textown Limited has 4 strategic business units which complements each other. Through vertically integrated setup, Textown has made a global footprint with client portfolio spanning across 10 countries in Australia, Europe and Asia. The products are 100% various top quality knitwear for men, women and children. Specialized in cotton, polyester, linen, bamboo, viscose, modal and polyamide, with functional finishes engineered with fancy yarn and knit. Product portfolio that includes knit garments like polo, trouser, jacket, yoga wear, leisure and sportswear fuel our growth. Our holistic approach towards sustainability has made us achieve certifications like Organic Cotton, GOTS, OCS, BCI, GRS, Made in Green and C2C. Textown is proud to work neck to neck with top global brands such as Benetton, Kmart Australia, Kapal, Lidl, Gloria Jeans, OVS, Primark and Sumikin Busan. Textown is equipped with modern technology and vertical setup, producing 30 metric tons of world-class fabrics daily. By using organic and international standard yarn, it produces a variety of fabrics. With precise technical expertise, the dyeing unit is capable for dyeing 28 metric tons of knit fabrics per day. Meeting the challenge of saving groundwater, Textown Dyeing has opened a new era recently in the textile market, where at least 25 liters per kilogram water is used less compared to other peer companies. The ultra-modern machineries, along with latest eco-friendly dyes chemicals usage, make its product more lucrative to the end customer. Apart from cotton products, Textown is dominating in producing polyester and polyester elastane blends in the market. The in-house water treatment plant assures water quality and returns back to nature. The state-of-the-art lab with the facility of brand new raw material testing machines accurately ensures higher output between lab and bulk production. Apart from this, a professional team comprising of textile engineers and chemists confirm different physical testing of finished products as per buyers' required methods. To ensure sustainable growth, Textown has skilled textile and industrial engineers who apply the right methods of saving energy, water, waste management and recycling. By partnering with IFC, WST, GIZ, GAG emissions were also reduced in large quantity. ZDHC Zero Discharge of Hazardous Chemicals guidelines were applied to discharged treated effluent water. To ensure transparency, Textown is sharing utility and other data through HIG and IPE platforms also. Being a socially responsible industry, Textown annually saves 106.17 million litres of water through the sustainable dyeing process. In 2019, 252 tons of GHG emissions were also saved. With a structured setup, Textown is very focused in their production process by monitoring every minor detail, starting from sampling to cutting and from stitching to finishing. And meeting timeline is done dedicatedly by the team of Textown. High-tech printing machinery with R&D team in our printing unit is capable of producing 100,000 pieces of print on a daily basis. Our backward linkage facilities make us confident in sourcing best trims and accessories. Our merchandising team is geared up in providing every solution to our clients at every phase of production. To achieve optimum usage of resources for timely delivery, HR and admin, logistic team along with IT professionals work together for a smooth execution. Textown maintains all the safety measures as per compliance. Several training programs on occupational safety and health hazard runs round the year. Free medical treatment, daycare, safe drinking water and dining, and dedicated breastfeeding corners are facilitated by us. Besides, we also provide scholarship for students and funding to rehabilitate the paralyzed people. Textown also took immediate steps to ensure safety to all its employees during this COVID-19 pandemic. We have taken the necessary safety measures from the entrance to the production floor. Textown believes in sustainable growth with smiling faces.